We are live. The Ball family, what's up? Jensen, what's up? So I'm live streaming from my laptop. Viking, what's up? Bra, what's up? So I've never done this before. Does it look okay? Sounds good. Nice. So, kind of weird. I don't really like how I'm staring at the chat like this. My head keeps turning. The lagging? So eventually I may get off the laptop and go back to the cell phone, but I definitely wanted to give it a try. I got these drinks. That's nice. I like how it's not backwards. Maybe it is backwards. So yeah, I got some extra sour Powerade. Got. Have you ever had these before? These are good. These aren't the best, but the 7-Eleven I went to are that's all they had. And we got some Heat peanuts. You could say that. And last but not least, a good old Butterfinger. So I really don't know what the plan is. I figured I eat some snacks, and there is a basketball game on at 8:30. So I'm probably going to be watching that game, but I'll keep the chat going. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Right in the chat now. Yo, this is my first time live streaming on my laptop. Wheels, what's up? This is kind of weird. I keep staring like in this direction to read the chat. It's not like directly in front of me like the cell phone. All good, Viking. Yeah, it's very different. What I do like about it is it's not really like in mirror. It's not in selfie form. So I got these drinks. You know what? It is kind of weird though. Like this is my right, but it's your left. So yeah, cherry kicker, peach pucker. I don't know. I figure I get a bunch of. We got these. These are really good. I'm not sure if the live stream. I'm not sure if the live stream is maybe. So if it is lagging, I may just switch over to the cell phone. The thing is, I can't be, I think if I do no movements, it shouldn't lag. So I'll try not to move so much. But it's cool. I can finally write in the chat now. Got a list of emojis. Yep. It is cool. The orange font. So we'll see how this goes. I think I like the cell phone much better. Doesn't seem like the laptop's overheating. So I am typing in the chat because I'm live streaming from my laptop. So this is all very new to me. I've never done this before. I really don't know if I like it, though. I think I'm better off with my cell phone. So if anyone has ever wondered, this is what my cell phone looks like. See? Thanks. It's the iPhone 16. So it is 90%, but let me just charge it a little longer because we'll probably switch over to the cell phone. This is cool though. It's like much more of me. Zayden, what's up? It is, right? It's like pretty cool. I'm sure it's lagging though. I had to give it at least a try once. Kind of want to see how the mic is. If I talk loud, I was wondering if the vibrations would send the mic up. Really? I always thought the cell phone mic was very responsive. I guess that's the word. So maybe we'll live stream the snacks on here. And there is a basketball game on at 8:30 that I would like to watch. So I was thinking about just chatting while watching the game. So I guess this is like one step towards actually live streaming off a PC. I did look up equipment And I don't know, there's so many different things to choose from. I think for now, the cell phone is probably the best way. The thing is, I get worried about the cell phone is it crashes a lot, the live stream. If someone texts me, if someone sends me a text, I can't really text them back while live streaming. And if someone calls me, I can't pick up the phone while someone's live streaming, while I'm live streaming. So I always get worried I'm going to miss possibly something important. And I don't like how I have to like look in this direction. I have to look in this direction, but my head is going in that direction. It's very strange. All right, so let's at least try the drinks. What should I be trying first? There's extra sour, but I doubt they're sour. This is gonna take some. Theo, what's up? This is some getting used to. So yeah, they say extra sour, but we all know they're not that sour. So peach pucker and cherry kicker. Yo, Manuel, what's up? I am currently live streaming off my laptop, which I really don't know if it's the best idea, but I had to try it at least once. So this is my first time trying. So yes, let's try the peach. So I usually always smell all the drinks and foods I usually eat. So let's just smell it. That smells delicious. So it's not orange juice, it's Powerade. Powerade is kind of just like Gatorade, but I think Powerade. So yes, Powerade is a Coca-Cola product. So this is very good. I can't really explain it though. It just tastes like you're biting into a like a sour fruit. Only water? Well, that's good. I do sometimes eat and drink a lot of junk because I've kind of like convinced myself that sometimes if you eat junk food, it could spike your metabolism in a positive way. Well, nice. So yes, I used to only drink water. See, when I was growing up, I was there was no sort of like discipline in my house. They used to put my parents would put soda as like a New York accent, soda. They used to put soda in my baby bottle. I used to have candy, McDonald's every night for dinner. Literally whatever I asked for, my parents would give me. So it was kind of like not a good thing, but a good thing in a sense of like I didn't like when I grew up, I didn't really go out of control. I usually don't like cherry drinks, but I feel like this one's gonna be better than the peach. So let's try that. So have you ever had tart cherry juice? You can find tart cherry juice at like a GNC vitamin shop. I've had Red Bull, but not when I was younger. I probably didn't have a Red Bull until I was about 20 years old. Definitely more sour. So it's tough. I'm not really sure which one's better. Uh, the peach, probably like a 6.4, and the cherry probably like a 6.1. So they're both like sixes. You talking about these heat nuts? Have you ever had hot peanuts? Evelyn, what's up? I am live streaming from my laptop, which is my first time ever doing it. So I'm maybe going to end this live stream and start from the cell phone again. We'll see how it goes. I think what I'm going to do is probably I'm probably going to be live streaming maybe on this for like a half hour, an hour, and then it's time for the basketball game. And when I mean basketball game, I mean the New York Knicks game. So I'll definitely stay on live stream while I watch that, and we could definitely chat and hang out. No problem, Evelyn. Thank you for hanging out. Peace. It's kind of weird. Like everything I do is the opposite, but it's not mirrored. Yep. The New York Knicks are in Toronto playing at 8:30, and if they win, they will be going to Las Vegas for a Final Four. Sure. How do I? Zayden, I really don't know what you're trying to do. All right, let's at least try some of the snacks. So we'll try the peanuts. So this is like a horrible. It's like a horrible camera. Yep. How about? I don't know. I really don't like live streaming on the laptop. Will you guys stick around if I get off and get right back on the cell phone? I feel like I'm out of my element. Like with the cell phone, I know exactly what to do. And right now, I'm so lost. I'm like staring over here, over there. Nice, Wheels. How was the dentist? Good? So yeah, this is kind of what I've been using for my cell phone. It's like a selfie stick. And it opens up into like a tripod. So you can place it on the table and you can kind of extend it. So this is kind of what I've been using. Good, Wheels. Good to hear. All right, so let me get back. Let me get back into my element. That was definitely fun, though. So everyone here, this was the very first live stream that was not on my cell phone. So I will be right back. Peace.